All right, today we're going to be unboxing this Mmtowus 3-ball hitch. It's height adjustable. It can go up 6 inches, or you can flip it around and it'll go down 6 inches. We're going to give our honest feedback and compare to another 3-ball hitch that we have. Inside the box, we actually have a really handy breakdown of the towing capacity of each of the ball sizes. You can see the standard 2-inch ball can do up to 10,000 pounds trailer weight, and the larger 2 and 5/16 up to 12,500. Right out of the box, I want to give credit to the powder coating job. It's very complete, feels very heavy duty. It's got a nice thick coat, and the top of each of the balls lets you know the size and also the weight capacity, which is really nice. The hook mechanism is nice and strong. And this thing is heavy. It's actually kind of hard for me to hold it out at arm's length for this video here. One nice attention to detail on this is it has a rubber side here. So when it goes into the adjustable end, it's going to reduce any slop and prevent banging. It's got a nice locking hitch pin. And something especially nice about this is it has a really good weather sealing cap here. I've had a similar kind before, but it did not have the cap protecting the lock, and without something like this, these get corroded really fast. So I'm happy to see that they have this. It even comes with black pins for the height adjustability. I really appreciate that because the whole thing is going to look nice and sleek on our black truck. And I think one question people have with these height adjustable hitches is how much play there are in them. On this one in particular, up and down, there's really not any play at all. The only play I'm noticing is there is about a centimeter of side-to-side action. You can see if I move it side to side a little bit, it has that type of play, but I don't think it's going to be enough that's going to cause any chatter. All right, and while this test might be a little archaic, I do think that over time the quality of steel on car parts has gone down. And I've got this hitch of my grandpa's here. It's a 3-ball hitch that we've had for probably 30 years. It had some surface rust at one point, so you can see I kind of did a poor job painting it, but this thing has been really trusty and it's very heavy. So we're going to compare the weight of this to the weight of our new height adjustable hitch. So you can see on here it's registering nearly 18 pounds. That is very heavy for a 3-ball hitch, especially one that is straight without any adjustability. But to me, this is the gold standard, super long lasting, high quality steel. Okay, now we're going to do the Mmtowus. And you can see that this one is actually pretty close. It's at 17 pounds. Of course, this has more elements to it, but in the weight test, I consider that a pass. Definitely a high quality, heavy duty piece and not something you would find at Harbor Freight. All right, now let's get it mounted up. It'll be nice to replace out this rusty hitch pin. Go Cougs. What's really nice is the neck of the hitch has 2 holes. So depending on your towing needs, you can have it this far out, or you can have it closer to the vehicle right here. Super easy to use this thing. I like how it's got some seals on here as well. These will help reduce any slop. So there we are, all mounted up. Looks really great on the all black truck. Aesthetically, just super nice. So it doesn't really want to twist or anything. It'll come up and down just a tiny little bit. Really not a lot for an adjustable hitch like this. The only slop I'm really seeing is the ability of it to slide back and forth about a centimeter. But I don't think that's really going to be a problem because when you have the weight of whatever you're towing, either pulling on it or pushing on it and pressing that rubber piece that we talked about into the adjustable head here, it's not going to want to move much. So this Mmtowus hitch is going to be a huge step up as far as adjustability compared to the old straight piece we had. It's going to make leveling our load a lot easier. We're not going to need to worry about weighting the trailer so much in order to get that perfect balance. This being a 6-inch up and down adjustability is going to cover nearly any towing situation that we run into. Just a big upgrade for us, and huge thanks to the brand for sending this out for review.